day. At Laser Innovation, we pride ourselves on our ability to engineer custom laser cleaning solutions that are tailored to the unique challenges faced by our clients. One of our recent projects involved a customer who wanted to explore the possibility of automating the cleaning of universal beams using a continuous wave CW laser. This type of cleaning process was not yet commercially available for their specific application, so we approached the challenge with an open mind and a collaborative spirit. Together, we embarked on a development journey that led to the design and construction of a bespoke prototype. Through initial testing, the prototype exceeded expectations, successfully cleaning the U-beams quickly, thoroughly, and without any damage or performance issues. The customer's existing manual process required significant labor and heavy use of consumables, such as abrasives and solvents. In contrast, our laser-based approach not only reduced labor time dramatically, but also eliminated the need for ongoing consumable use, creating immediate and measurable cost savings. The financial benefits alone are compelling. Our analysis suggests that the reduction in labor and consumable costs could offset the full development cost of the system within the first year of use. But beyond cost effectiveness, the advantages of laser cleaning go much further. Additionally, laser cleaning systems are highly precise and can be easily automated, which ensures repeatability and consistency across production runs. This is especially important for companies operating in sectors such as construction, mining, marine, or infrastructure, where steel components like beams, pipes, and supports must be maintained at scale. Our bespoke laser systems can be engineered to fit seamlessly into existing workflows or developed as standalone units to meet niche operational requirements. With strong partnerships in some of the most advanced industrial sectors across Australia and China, we have both the technical expertise and manufacturing capability to deliver fully customized, high-performance laser cleaning systems. Thanks for your time, and please feel free to contact our team if you have any additional questions or need assistance with a new project. If your company is facing a cleaning or surface preparation challenge that doesn't have a ready-made solution on the market, Laser Innovation is ready to help. Our team works closely with clients from concept to completion, ensuring that each system we deliver is precisely matched to the specific operational, environmental, and performance requirements of the application. Whether it's improving efficiency, reducing operational costs, or minimizing environmental impact, a bespoke laser cleaning solution from Laser Innovation can help you future-proof your processes and stay ahead of industry demands.